So right now we're doing some very exciting things in terms of Shib. Yesterday was actually a very good day and a perfect setup for what's taking place right now. And frankly, it looks like Shib is about to pop and make a little bit of an extension here. Now, there's a couple things that we're contending with in the crypto market that we need to discuss and be aware of. And at the same time, Shib's got some very important things working in its favor. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I wonder what price is going to be by the time this comes out. I'm filming this at 6:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. This video will come out at 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. But right now, at the time of filming this video, what we're seeing is early on in the day, Shib wants to run. Okay. We had a modest like 5.5% day yesterday. That's a very good setup. Again, we're starting to form this little bit of a parabolic move. Shib right now is fighting that 20-day moving average, which if you guys remember, this can either be crucial support for Shib or a strong resistance. And now Shib may in fact be flipping this into support. I would love to see Shib right here at least, excuse me, at least make a move to the bottom of our last chance box. Understand this is where our 50-day moving average is. That's right at about 4024. And really a good move would be actually up to 4026 for Shiba Inu, maybe a correction and test down before that next extension and breakout, trying to test those levels of 4033 once again. But understand that, this may take days to do, but Shib is showing all the right signs right now. And that is despite having a little bit of selling pressure in the crypto market. So you're actually starting to see a little bit of decorrelation from altcoins. Very positive sign. Okay. And actually, there's something I'm going to pull up here in a second that I wasn't planning for. But really, what we're dealing with is BTC struggling around this 20-day moving average. The good news, guys, the good news is that it didn't like moves to the downside, did not like being below its 50-day moving average, subsequent bounce, strong days, leading us again to a breach of this 20-day. Once again, and the great news is that once BTC breaches this and holds it, it does not like to go back below it. So a very strong sign there. Now, this is all happening because we're still dealing with some institutional unloading. For example, yesterday, $242 million worth of spot Bitcoin or Bitcoin from spot Bitcoin ETFs dumped. The big surprise yesterday, BlackRock dumping $332 million worth of BTC on the market. They don't have much in terms of unload days, but yesterday was a big one. And that obviously is what is causing BTC to not have this next extension quite yet, this next push to 100K. It's close, but understand that that's what we're fighting right now. Now, spot Ethereum ETFs dumped as well, $77.5 million in unloads, $21.4 million dumped by Grayscale, $56.1 million dumped by Bitwise. But what we're waiting for now, again, is this turnaround and this confirmation from institutional money. What we're seeing is basically retail versus institutional money. And the good news is that for altcoins at least, we are making up some ground. We are starting to separate and bounce back. And actually, if we look at the BTC dominance, we can see that BTC dominance is starting to drop off once again. So we're again in this chop zone. We're getting ready for this next extension down in the crypto market for BTC dominance, which is important for alts. This could be either BTC staying level and not really doing a whole much and alts, taking up some ground, or alts showing some resilience while BTC drops and tries to test this trend once again. Now, what's interesting about this is, excuse me, sorry guys, some congestion again this morning, and I have to take some cattle to the sale barn here in just a minute. But Shiba Inu has actually cracked the top 30 in terms of trending coins on CoinMarketCap. That's a very strong sign. About $500 million in daily trading volume. Strong sign there as well. So we're actually seeing Shiba Inu show a lot of resilience in these levels. This should give people all the confidence in the world, and I'll show you why in just a moment. But when we look at meme coins in general, we can see that Shiba Inu having another very good day, one of the what we'll call largest gainers over the last 24 hours in terms of meme coins, which isn't saying much. It's about 2%. But it's looking like we're about to get maybe a little bit of a meme season. Okay. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. They tend to happen unexpectedly. But if Shib makes this extension and we start seeing retail excitement really become more prominent once again, you might see Shib and some of these other meme coins take off a little bit. The good news is that Shib, again, doesn't have much resistance here. In fact, if we can get to the top of this box, I have a lot of confidence that we can break through this fairly easily. All right. Because there will be a point, whether it's inauguration day, whether it's, between now and then, whether it's slightly after, that the retail excitement starts creating some of those inflows from outside the market. The big thing that we're waiting for, the big thing that's going to cause Shiba Inu to set a new all-time high, the market's kind of prepping for this perfectly. Shiba Inu is positioned well for this in general. And this is all happening outside of whale moves. There's not much that's happening by whales right now. So what you're seeing is that if retail is allowed to act its normal way, what they're showing you is they're accumulating. They want to buy. They want to send the charts to the upside. So these are all very good signs. Just understand that if BTC drops, we might see a pullback, but understand that if BTC starts running, we may get the pop that we're waiting for in the crypto market in general. Now, I do want to just show you guys, I do still have my longs open in terms of Shiba Inu. Again, my one on BTC up 55%. My one that's on Margex, that one is up 186%. Again, I prefer to use BTCC. I just had some capital on Margex. But if you guys do want to use BTCC, there's a referral link in the description below. Again, you can earn a $10,000 deposit and trading bonuses. You can earn a 10% deposit bonus on your first deposit above $500. There's no KYC. It's available for US traders. And this has been around for 13 years. So feel free to check that out if you guys would like. I'm liking where the day is setting up for. We may actually be building towards a nice explosive weekend. We'll obviously just have to wait and see how things shake out. But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts about where things are headed from here. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.